Linking your bank account to Preferred Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your bank account details handy, including your account number, routing number, and any identification information required by Preferred Bank. Step 2. Log into your Preferred Bank account. Visit the Preferred Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the account linking section. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Linking or Link Bank Account. This is usually found under Settings or Account Management options. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may receive a verification email or text message to finalize the process. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the linking. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Preferred Bank, allowing for easier transactions and management of your finances.